Preparing healthy broth and soups in Ghana. A bowl of soup a day can keep the doctor away. Today I want to talk about what goes into our Ghanaian soups. It doesn't matter what soup it is. It can be palm nut soup or it can be groundnut soup or what we call peanut soup. Most Ghanaian soups are healthy because of these ingredients. Ginger. Fresh ginger always adds spice and it adds health benefits to any meal that is prepared. We also have onions, and different types of onions are there in the open market. And also Aidan fruits, what we call prekese. Prekese is very popular in Ghana and it has lots of health benefits, especially when it's added to soups. Fresh mushrooms are also commonly used in Ghana because of their high fiber and antioxidant properties. I think mushrooms are very nutritious when added fresh to any palm nut soup or groundnut soup. That looks delicious to me, and that is our prekese or Aidan fruits. Ghana's smoked fish is also packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals, which are all healthy for the body, and when added to soup adds a lot of nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, which the body needs. I like my soups with lots of vegetables and spices. Tell me how you like your soups in the comment box below. The extra flavor that smoked fish adds to soups can be irresistible, especially in the festive season. Also, type in the comment box below whether you like adding prekese or Aidan fruits to your soups. Or do you like smoked fish? Smoked fish is one of my favorites, and it adds a lot of flavor to any soup. So guys, show us some love and subscribe to the African Diaspora Lens channel. Whilst you do that, I will tuck into this fresh mushroom soup with smoked tuna fish and all the good spices, ginger, garlic, onions. And I will catch you another time. Thanks for watching. Bye.